brother in peace. I cannot be able to account for the front bench and for whoever is not here. Personally, I was here by 7. I have been here. That shows you that for me, I take the institution very serious.
As government and on behalf of government, and as someone who believes and supports everyone's equality, I apologize for all the mismanagement that could have happened during his life when he was on earth. And I believe we should do better. We should do better going forward. We should allow criticism where need be. And I pray his soul rest in peace.
I thank him for the work he did. And to the people of Kawempe, I think you will remember him for the good things he has done. And let us continue to be there for each other as members of Parliament, because we represent the people of Uganda. May his soul rest in peace.
From Allah we came, and from Allah we shall all return.
Thank you.
May Allah receive your soul and forgive you for whatsoever you did wrong, Honorable Ssegirinya, and grant you Jannat Firdaus. May peace be upon all of you.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.